How to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Shein and get a refund quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, what you can do is simply tap on My Orders option, or you can simply go to the cart section as well. And now here, in this section, you can scroll through your orders and find the one that you want to cancel. And after that, you can simply tap View Details or open the order. And after that, if your order is still cancelable, then you can see a cancel button. So there you can just tap cancel and choose the reason for cancellation and then confirm by tapping submit. But note that if the order is already moved to processing or shipped, then the cancel option may not appear. And there, after cancellation, you can go back to order page and there you'll see a refund option. So there you can just tap apply for refund and follow the steps and choose a refund region and submit it. And once submitted, Scene will process your refund, and refunds usually take a few days to show back in your original payment method. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your Shein order and get a refund easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.